Hi. So today we are having an interesting patient. So this couple is married for the past 2 years, and the husband is 40 years old and wife is 36. And because of some issues, actually it was a second marriage for them, and they were very badly trying for the baby. And they came to us when we evaluated. We found out that the husband had very few sperms. It was a cryptospermic case, and they wanted to have the child very fast because they are getting old, and they wanted to start their family in a good way. So when they came, what we suggested, first we'll try to improve your 7 parameters, and then we'll go ahead with the procedure. So first we gave the testicular injection along with the hormonal stimulation, and after 2 months there was a good improvement. Then we went for the IVF procedure, and the procedure was done. These are the blasts which were formed during the procedure. And the good news is, now I'm talking after, I think after 30 days after this procedure, everything is done. The embryo transfer was done. The couple has become positive. So I'm also very happy, and we thank God for this grace, because they are very badly, like when they came to us, they were telling like, they were so much hoping us to get this, but we always, as nothing is in our hands, everything is in the hands of the God. That's what we told them. And they also tried their level best, and they played well. And now they are positive. Now the first scan was done, and the heartbeat is there. The 6-week scan is done. So we also thank God for such a good thing.